Do you know where the finish line is?
Yeah, it's on the west side of the park.
Okay,
It's like a mile and a half.
Excuse you.
What?
Was that you? That farted?
No, I didn't
Oh, I thought you farted. Oh no, I heard a fart. Oh, sorry. So it's like not too much farther from here?
You gotta go down. Just
Okay.
go across, yeah.
I think that was her. No?
It was absolutely you.
Just saying hi. We're here in Central Park. You can see the fountain there. I'm sorry. It was
Oh my
Sure.
gosh, how rude.
Sorry about that.
Oh my gosh, so gross.
I know. Yeah, it's so rude. Oh. Did you fart? Oh, I thought maybe it was her. Oh.